Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Casey Helton, and in this video I am going to be doing a little fall and Halloween home decor tour, so stick around and you can see everything that I have done to my home for the fall and Halloween season. Also, if you haven't already, go check out all of my previous videos and you can see where I have decorated all of these spaces, and I have made some really fun and unique recipes that I have shared with everyone, so I would really appreciate it if you would go and check those out if you are new. But for now, we are going to start this tour out on my front porch, and this is where I have decorated for fall and Halloween mixed together. I just think it is so much fun. I love doing the fall front porch every year. It is just the coziest. I love adding these little flannel throws. I've got those from the dollar spot or the bullseye spot at Target. They just add such a cozy element to the space. Now we're going to move inside of the house, and this is my living room when you first walk into the home, and I have just stuck with a very neutral fall decor in this space, and I like how it is just very elegant and subdued, and I've just added a few touches of pumpkins and foliage throughout the space and some warmer colors to make it nice and cozy. I wish I would have had my fireplace on when I took this video, but I've got the fire roaring now and it is just so cozy. I love these cozy pumpkin pillows. I think I got that one at Walmart, but I will link everything that I can down below in the description box, so anything that you see in this video and you want to know where I got it from, just check out down there, anywhere from furniture, decor, holiday items. I will have them all linked below. Speaking of decor items, I just got this Joshua vase. I actually got two of them. They are absolutely stunning, so you can find that linked below as well. I just think it is so gorgeous, and I love the warmth that it brings into the home by adding that deep, rich color. Now we are moving on to the dining room, where I always do a holiday tablescape, so make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you like to see that sort of thing. I put them out for every holiday. They're just so much fun to create, and I think the fall one has got to be my favorite one. I just love the warm, rich colors. And of course the pumpkins. You can never have too many pumpkins. I also did a Halloween tablescape, so this is a little further on in the season. I transitioned to this fun and spooky Halloween tablescape, and my next tablescape coming up is my Thanksgiving tablescape, so make sure you stay tuned to catch that one. We are moving on to the kitchen, and I like to keep it really clean and simple as far as decor goes in the kitchen. I don't want to add a lot. I just like little simple touches. I added these little apples here in the bowl and these beautiful fall leaves. I think they make a really great statement. Perfect piece for the island. I have this cute little Joanna Parker bowl that I just had to have because it's just such an adorable pumpkin face, and I got my fall soaps out every season. I like to have a seasonal soap, so it just brightens up the kitchen, and my little seasonal towels. Those are the easiest ways that you can add a touch of the season to your space. I always love to light a cozy candle in the kitchen, and I like to use my fruit as decor because the apples are just so perfect for the season and they just look stunning in that fruit bowl. So if you want to check out that fruit bowl, it will also be linked below in the description box. I am in love with that. Now we are moving down to the family room where I have it all spooky and fun for Halloween. This is where we watch all of our Halloween movies and get cozy. So I wanted a fun vibe down there and a spooky vibe for the kids so that it would be fun to watch Halloween movies. The family room fireplace is the focal point for my Halloween decor, and I just love these cute stick-on bats and this mantel bunting or banner, whatever you want to call it. It is just so fun. It just makes such a big statement. And these cute little ghosts I got at Walmart, I just put some tea lights in them and added some garland and pumpkins and just made it really fun for the fall and Halloween season. Now the lights are out and we are ready for our spooky movie night. I've got my little wax warmer going, and I will link that in the description box as well if it's still available. But we've got the fire going and all of our spooky lights on, and I added a few extra lights for our movie night. I had so much fun decorating for this season. I hope you enjoyed my little recap of everything that I have done, and I hope you continue to join me decorating for the rest of the year. I have so many more fun things planning because Christmas is next and I am so excited. But thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure you are subscribed and you hit that bell notification so you don't miss out on any more videos, and I will see you in my next one.